calling meeting and meeting and meeting upon meeting, and the issue of sin will still remain a strong issue before us.
Èyí ti jẹ́ t'Olúwa ń pè ìpàdé síbẹ̀ náà. Ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yìí ó tún di mọ́lí.
Ilé tí bá tẹ̀ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sáà ní kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ náà.
Ṣe bí what's the big thing there? We can be a friend.
Àwọn bàbá wa nù gbàgbọ́ wọn èyí ṣe
Our
bẹ́ẹ̀.
fathers in faith doesn't do
You
that.
are living in sin, you say God call you.
Òun gbé nínú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀, Ọlọ́run pè ọ́.
You are living in sin,
Òun gbé nínú ẹ̀ṣẹ̀,
you say God give you ministry.
Ọlọ́run gbéṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ lé ọlọ́.
Ìyẹn.
When you are talking about prosperous men,
Tá a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn tó ṣe rere.
talk like people like Joseph.
Tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn èèyàn bíi Joseph.
Do you know that David, the man after God's heart, was not prosperous?
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé Dáfídì ẹni bí ọkàn Ọlọ́run kò ṣe rere?
Many times he committed sin.
Lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọgbà ló dẹ́ṣẹ̀.
And many of you, I don't know if you have anybody here who is a disciple of David.
Mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ní ẹnikẹ́ni bí tó jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀yìn Dáfídì.
If you are a disciple of David,
Tó o bá jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀yìn Dáfídì.
to be a disciple of someone is to live like that person.
Tó o bá jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀yìn ẹnìkan ni kó o máa gbé bí ẹni yẹn ti ń
So
gbé.
if you are living like David,
Tó o bá ń gbé bí Dáfídì.
who commits sin and confess,
Tó ń dẹ́ṣẹ̀ tí ń jẹ́wọ́.
who marry many wives,
Tó fẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìyàwó.
and you are calling yourself an elect of God,
Tó o sì ń pera rẹ ní àyànfẹ́ Ọlọ́run.
I'm telling you, devil has succeeded over you.
Most-
You are a wicked person.
Mo ń sọ fún ọ, Èṣù ti ṣàṣeyọrí lórí ẹ, ènìyàn búburú ni ọ́.
You are a sinner.
Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni
So
ọ́.
anyone who lives like David in this dispensation is a sinner.
Ẹnikẹ́ni tí bá ń gbé bíi Dáfídì ní àkókò tí a wà yìí ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni.
Do I have any pastor here
Ṣùgbọ́n ṣé mo ní olùṣọ́ àgùntàn kankan
who
níbí?
married 2 wives?
Tó fẹ́ yàwó méjì.
You are a sinner.
Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni ọ́.
Do I have any of you here?
Bóyá mo ní ẹnìkan
You are
níbí
a pastor.
tó jẹ́ olùṣọ́
You have
àgùntàn.
one wife,
Oníyàwó
but
kan.
you have many concubines
Ṣùgbọ́n o
around.
ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn àlè.
You are a sinner.
Ẹlẹ́ṣẹ̀ ni ọ́.
So don't console yourself that I am like David. I'm the David of this day.
Má tura rẹ nínú pé Dáfídì àkókò yìí lè mi.
It will be terrible of you if you be a disciple of David.
Yóò burú fún ọ tó o bá jẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀yìn Dáfídì.
When we are talking of Christian family, you cannot go to the family of David and say you want to learn anything.
Tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ìdílé Kìrìsìtẹ́nì, a lè lọ sínú ìdílé Dáfídì kàbá.
David was not a Christian.
Dáfídì èé ṣe Kìrìsìtẹ́nì.
If you follow David, you are going to
Tó
hell.
o bá tẹ̀lé Dáfídì, ò ń lọ sọ́run àpáàdì.
That's the truth.
Òtítọ́ nìyẹn o.
So a prosperous life,
Ayé tó ń ṣe rere.
we as a man, he will have a single wife.
Yóò gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkùnrin yóò ní aya kan.
Joseph married an Egyptian girl,
Jósẹ́fù ó fẹ́ obìnrin ará Íjíbítì.
and he did not marry the second one.
Kò sì fẹ́ èkejì.
He remained stuck to his wife.
Ó dúró pẹ̀lú aya rẹ̀.
When he was single, he was purely single.
Nígbà tí ò tí ì láya gan, ó jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin.
When he was engaged to this Egyptian girl, he never opened her clothes and opened her laps.
Nígbà tó ń fẹ́ arábìnrin Íjíbítì yìí sọ́nà kò bá sùn.
When you talk about men that are righteous, these are people that are consistent all throughout their life, uncompromising.
Tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn olódodo, wọ́n jẹ́ àwọn ènìyàn tó ń gbé ìgbé ayé ìwà mímọ́ ní sísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé láì gbọ̀jẹ̀gẹ́.
Joseph was a man like that.
Jósẹ́fù irú ènìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni Jósẹ́fù.
I'm dealing with prosperity.
Mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìṣerere.
A prosperous man is a man that contacts sin and is never contagious with sin.
Ènìyàn tó ń ṣe rere ni ẹni tó ń gbé láàrin ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àbí tó ń ṣalábàápàdé ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ò sì rán.
A man who lives in the private corner, nobody is there, and he say no to sin.
Ẹni tó ń gbé níbi ìkọ̀kọ̀ tí ò sí ẹnìkankan bẹ̀ tó sì ń sọ pé rárá fún ẹ̀ṣẹ̀.
So when we are talking of prosperous life, don't mention David.
So-
David was never prosperous.
Tó tí a bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ayé tó ṣe rere, má dárúkọ Dáfídì. Dáfídì ò ṣe rere.
If not for the mercy of God, do you think that David is supposed to live long?
Tí ẹ bá ṣe àánú Ọlọ́run, ṣé ẹ rò pé ó yẹ kẹ́mi Dáfídì ògùn ni?
At the junction of marriage, when he was to choose a marriage partner, he was flexing muscle.
Nígbà tó yẹ tó fẹ́ yan ẹni tí ó jẹ́ aya rẹ̀, ó ń lo agbára ni.
Saul wanted to trick him.
Sọ́ọ̀lù fẹ́ fi àrékèrèké mú.
And you need to know why Saul wanted to do that. People have been reporting David.
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ ìdí tí Sọ́ọ̀lù fẹ́ ṣe yẹn? Àwọn èèyàn ti ń sọ fún Sọ́ọ̀lù nípa Dáfídì.
That David was desiring your daughter.
Pé Dáfídì ó fẹ́ fẹ́ ọmọ yín.
People have been monitoring David's movement.
Àwọn ènìyàn wọ́n ti ń fojú bá Dáfídì lọ.
As mighty as he was,
Bó ṣe jẹ́ alágbára tó.
he never conquered lust.
Kò ṣẹ́gun fẹ̀kúfẹ̀.
Listen,
Jọ̀wọ́.
when you are a single brother now,
Tó o bá jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin níbí
and you are
nísìn,
promiscuous,
tó o sì wà jó ní ṣekúṣe.
even if you engage a sister,
Kódà ńgbà tó o bá ní obìnrin kan sójú ọ̀nà.
I'm telling you, you will divide that sister before wedding day.
Wà á bá obìnrin yẹn sùn kó tó di ọjọ́ ìgbéyàwó
Listen to
yìí.
me. Any man who defile a man before wedding will always be promiscuous unless Jesus show him mercy.
Ẹni ọ̀dọ́mọkùnrin tó bá ti bá obìnrin sùn kó tó kí wọ́n tó ṣe ìgbéyàwó irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ oníṣekúṣe ní ọmọ jẹ́ àfi tó bá ràánú Ọlọ́run gbà.
In his marriage, he will be unfaithful.
Nínú ìgbéyàwó rẹ̀ yóò jẹ́ aláìṣòótọ́.
Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to get a copy of the full DVD, please call these numbers 0703 284 4129 or 0806 398 0914. You can also reach our email at josepholaokon@gmail.com. Join us again tomorrow for another encounter with God. Until then, stay blessed.